What's up guys, welcome to the 16th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial we're still on functions. Now it's all about the return statement. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you gotta do is type in void like we did. Void, not void, void, and then say when or whatever, up to you. Close that off. This is the prototype. And now int main when. Yes, and now we can say void decide, not decide, we can just say when if we want to. We are deciding when, but I said when for short. Okay, now int when std cout return when. That's the question. Zero equals now, 1 equals later. You'll see why I'm doing this in a minute. Close that one off too. Semicolon. Okay, now std cin when, if when equals 0, then we can say std cout returning now. And now we need the return statement. And then we can run std cout returning later. Return statement again. Must I forget that semicolon here, very important. Ruin the whole program. We can save this and now we can just go through the program and see what it does. Okay, we've got the prototype on top, we've got the functions here, and this if statement tells us to test when to return based upon user input. This return statement return from within the statement block. This return statement return from the bottom of the statement block. Okay, depending on whatever number I type in is what output I'll get. So let's execute this. So build succeeded, return when, 0 for now, returning now. The program is ended. If I put in a couple of new lines, save that, execute that again. So now if I put in number 1, return later, returning later. If I put in 0 again, just to show you. If I put in a random garbage number, see what we get. Still gives us returning later, because we haven't put in if else statements. If you type this in, you get that. Or else if you type this, you get the picture. So if I just compile this, execute this one more time, put in 1, returning later. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.